Hi friends, will Nifty surpass its previous high and move higher? This is the $1,000,000 question everyone is asking. So will it be just a false breakout and market will again start coming down? So क्या लगता है? So there are three evidences that we have analyzed and we can say that where will Nifty move, whether it will be a new high or it will just be a false breakout. So let us understand how market is responding to the quarterly numbers. So I think that is one good indication which we will come to know that market कैसे react कर रहा है. HUL हिंदुस्तान यूनिलीवर के numbers आए थे 19% profit growth and 11% volume growth. Superb numbers. क्या हुआ? Stock price is down by around 7%. You see IndusInd Bank, superb numbers, 22% profit growth and stable asset quality. Stock price is down by around 5 to 7%. There are so many other examples. JK Tires, turnaround and sales was up by around 45%. Stock price, no movement. So like that, there are so many other stock prices wherein numbers were great. It had beat the expectation, but still stock prices did not move up and they are just languishing or our stock prices are down. So this one indication shows that if such good news is not taking stock prices higher, what else will? So हमको ये लगता है कि निफ्टी शायद न्यू हाई को टच करके एक बार और एक रिवर्सल ले सकती है because there are so many stocks that are really not performing. And I'll give you one statistics, contemporary statistics. Today, there are only 11 stocks that are at 52-week high and 286 stocks that are at 52-week low. And this, my friends, have never happened. So for example, 3 घोड़े हैं and रथ चल रहा है, रथ is a market. अगर तीनों घोड़े अपनी स्पीड में चल रहे हैं तो ऑब्वियसली रथ स्पीड में आगे बढ़ेगा, मार्केट में हेल्दी साइन है, मार्केट विल मूव हायर. बट 3 में से खाली एक घोड़ा चल रहा है और बाकी के 2 घोड़े पीछे है या दे आर लैगिंग. सो बट ऑब्वियसली रथ की स्पीड आगे जाएगी नहीं और वो एक घोड़ा जो आगे है वो शायद वापस स्लो डाउन हो जाएगा. सो करंटली maybe the large cap and within large cap space there are few stocks that are moving higher and that is why Nifty is at a high level, but that is not going to sustain because the larger breadth or the larger composition of the market is still lagging and dragging, and that is the reason why we feel that market एक बार possible है कि new high touch करे in next week or so when HDFC AMC IPO comes in, and that could be a brief phase of euphoria which will then take market lower because majority of stocks are really not moving up. So this is the reason why we think that market will not move up, but it will give a false breakout. Fractured rally like the current one that we have has really never taken markets to new high. So it is very likely that small and mid cap shares will do a catch up rally and maybe they will stabilize and they will move higher, and the other stocks that have really moved up higher will slowly and steadily correct and come down. So that is how market will again come into an equilibrium and after that the rally can begin. So currently अब देखा होगा elections, parliament session is going on and there are some political drama that is going on. So this drama bazi will continue and market will remain volatile, fearing there will be fear when the market goes higher that what will happen to the election result, and then again it will start coming down, and when it is down lower people will think that valuations are attractive, India is a great economy, let us start buying. So we think it's a broad trading range. Nifty at around 11,100 or 200 at upper end, and then around 10,500 or 10,200 could be the lower end for this year, and this is how we think the broad trading band would be for Nifty. So currently strategy क्या होनी चाहिए, because every time you put a trade and it is likely that आपका stop hit हो जाएगा. सो करंटली अगर आपको ट्रेडिंग मीडियम टर्म रख के आपका व्यू मीडियम टर्म होना चाहिए, ना कि शॉर्ट टर्म. then what you should do is, there are few sectors that have really come down. For example, OMC, crude oil prices have started coming down, and because they have their pricing power, आप एक BPCL कैन बी कंसिडर इन योर पोर्टफोलियो. आप इस तरीके के 5 स्टॉक का एक पोर्टफोलियो बनाइए. स्टॉप लॉस मत लगाइए, बट उसका आप 6 महीने का टारगेट लगा के रखिए. इन 6 months, बिकॉज स्टॉक प्राइसेस आर सो डाउन, they can appreciate by 20-30% and you can make money. So this strategy will work much better rather than taking a very short term bets. So OMCs में आप BPCL लीजिए. रियल्टी सेक्टर में आप ओबेरॉय रियल्टी ले सकते हैं या इंडिया बुल रियल एस्टेट. ये भी शेयर्स काफ़ी नीचे आए हैं एंड दे शेयर्स ऑफर वैल्यू फ्रॉम अ मीडियम टर्म परस्पेक्टिव. सीमेंट में आप या अल्ट्राटेक या श्री सीमेंट ले सकते हैं. आई थिंक सीमेंट शुड ऑल्सो, दे हैव ऑल्सो करेक्टेड एंड इट शुड मूव हायर. PSU बैंक में आप एक आध स्टेट बैंक ऑफ इंडिया ले सकते हैं, बिकॉज अभी रिकवरी पॉसिबल है. शायद ये क्वार्टर नहीं, मगर अगले क्वार्टर से रिकवरी आनी चालू हो जाएगी एंड नंबर्स will look better and banks should perform. So I think State Bank is the leader. इंश्योरेंस सेक्टर में ICICI लोम्बार्ड या फिर ICICI प्रूडेंशियल आप इनको भी ले सकते हैं, बिकॉज ICICI में थोड़ी सी द एंटायर ग्रुप में अभी जो नेगेटिव सेंटिमेंट्स चल रहे हैं उनके कारण ये शेयर्स आर अवेलेबल एट लोअर वैल्यूएशन एंड दे ऑफर वैल्यू. तो इस तरीके के आप 5-6 शेयर्स लेके रखिए डिलीवरी बेस्ड पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू, और 3 से 6 महीने के व्यू से आप लेके रखिए. तो आई थिंक इन दिस 5 or 6 स्टॉक्स यू विल मेक अराउंड 30-40% ऑन योर रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट. ये ज़्यादा बेटर है रादर देन बेटिंग ऑन वेरी शॉर्ट टर्म और नियर टर्म बेट्स. सो करंटली मार्केट इज इन ट्रेडिंग रेंज, हायर बैंड है निफ्टी का. Maybe Nifty will touch new highs and then recede. Small or mid caps can move higher, but broadly we think this is a trading range, and this is how we think you should make your trading strategy. If you have any doubts, अगर आपको कुछ पूछना है आप हमें लिख भेजिए. We'll be more than happy to share with you. Thank you.